going to discuss 7th class light chapter worksheet 1. As I told you earlier, please don't go through my video in the beginning. First you try and go through my solutions for the questions which you can't. Okay? In the beginning don't look at my video. First you should try. So let me start our worksheet 1 from our light chapter. The first question is very fundamental question and straight away question. No need of any discussion. It is a straight question. Light strikes a surface and is called as. He said that if this is medium 1 and this is medium 2, light falls into the medium 1 and thrown back into the same medium, means it comes into the same medium. So if the light comes like this, what do you call it as? Yes, you are right. It is called as reflection. A ray of light falling on mirror is called as. So if this is a mirror and a ray of light which is falling on the mirror, this is called as what? Incident ray. 45 degrees. Then the angle of reflection is, as you know that angle of incidence and angle of reflection both are same. If this is our mirror, this is our normal, this is the incident ray which makes an angle 45 degrees like this. It will be reflected into the same medium with the same angle, that is 45 degrees. The incident ray and the normal is called as. Incident ray and the normal, this is our normal, this is our plane surface, this is angle called as angle of incidence. So angle of incidence, this is right answer. What do you call this? This is the reflected ray and this is called as angle of reflection. This mirror, the light ray would have traveled like this. Because of the presence of this mirror, the light ray bent like this. That's why this is called as angle of deviation delta. Of course, it is not asked, but for time being I told you. A perpendicular drawn at the point of incidence on the surface of a mirror is called. At the point of incidence on the surface of the mirror is called. See, this is the surface of a mirror, and if this is perpendicular, as I explained in the previous problem also, this is called as normal. When a ray of light strikes on a plane mirror along the normal, the angle of incidence is, and say this is normal, this along the normal, then what is the angle of incidence? The angle of incidence is 0. The incident ray and the reflected ray from a plane mirror are mutually perpendicular to each other, then the angle of incidence is. So this is our mirror, this is our normal line, this is our incident ray and this is our reflected ray. This is I and this is R. He said that mutually perpendicular to each other. The incident ray and reflected ray are mutually perpendicular to each other. Means here the angle is 90 degrees. Means the angle I plus angle R is equal to how much? 90 degrees. As you know that angle I is equal to angle R, this is 2I. Because this is I plus I, 2I is equal to 90 degrees. So I means how much? 45 degrees. This is our answer. The angle between the incident and the reflected ray is, this is our normal, this is our incident ray and this is our reflected ray. What is asking? The angle between the incident and the reflected ray is, incident ray and reflected ray is, this is nothing but I plus R. Let us check the options. Equal to the angle of incidence? No. Equal to the angle of reflection? No. Double the angle of incidence. See, I plus R, which can be written as I plus, as you know that angle I is equal to angle R. Instead of this R I can write I, so this I which is equal to 2I. This worksheet and these problems are very easy. If you can follow my previous synopsis and our material. So I am explaining the problem from this material only. So if you can read the synopsis from the material, you can automatically solve these problems. The angle between the mirror and the incident ray is 40 degrees. The angle between the mirror and the incident ray is 40 degrees. This is our normal, this is our incident ray. He said that the angle between the mirror and the incident ray is 40, means this is 40. As you know, this total is how much? 90 degrees. If this total is 90, what is this? Obviously 50 degrees. The question is angle of reflection is how much? Means he is asking about this. This is R is equal to how much? As you know that if the angle of incidence is 50, angle of reflection also 50 degrees. This is our right answer.